Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I started opening one of my parcels from somebody. It's from Mary Barratt. Sorry Mary, I got part way through. I have the things out and I had the things I was looking at them. My mum came to the door and I had to sign for what I got, and that's good, I guess. So here I am now doing this. So I had a look at this, and she's got here all of her favourite things and favourite films and favourite books and swaps to date that she's done with people, and that is so cool. If you gave me all this good information. I don't know if you were born in 1803. That's interesting. Mary, you've got birthday, the 22nd of November, 1803. Well, darling, you must be a little bit old by now. You must have made a little mistake there, darling. So that might have been maybe 1983, maybe you was right in that. I don't know. But that's just 1803. Look at that. It's just, yeah. Anyway, I'm not about that. Oh, look at this. That's nice, Mary. Thank you very much. I do love that. And these, you've got some tags which you made for me. Thank you very, very much. Did I see this? I might have done. I may have seen these. I may have seen these because I... Oh, look at that. Wow. I think I did. Look at this. Oh, yes, I know I did. Look at that. Oh, dear, I'm fascinated with that. Oh, thank you. I do love this. This is really cool. This is not my style, but by geez, I like it. I mean, when I say not my style, it means I can't do it. I could try now that I've got this piece here that I could look at yours and get a bit of an idea, because, you know, I do love this. I absolutely love it. I do love this style of thing. And I'd really like to do a vintage journal using this sort of stuff. You know, these sort of things like the colours and everything like that. Really beautiful, isn't it? I do love that. Look at that. You've done it just right for, oh, I don't know, it just seems to, it works so well. If I did that, I would muck it up so bad. I don't know. I tried to have a go at this sort of thing, but when I kept saying this sort of thing, I meant to make it look a little bit aged, and you've done it so well. This is absolutely beautiful. I love this. Love these. What have we got here now? Oh, this is interesting. Is it coming out? Does anything happen? I don't want to break anything. Is that stuck on there? Aha, got him. This from the, you've used something on there that's just wanted to stick. It just wanted to misbehave, but it's fine. It works really well. That's a beautiful tag. I just love the way you've done this. I find some people make things too dark when they go to do the vintage look. They have it a little bit too dark, but these are absolutely beautiful, and I do love this envelope. And you know what I did when I seen that? I went on the internet and I bought... I'm sure I've seen this. I'm sure I've seen it before. Like what's the name that you would have put up? Let me see. I'm fishing around in here to find what I did. You encouraged me. Well, you maybe when I say encouraged in that sort of way. Let me see. What have I got here? Well, I can show you what I did. I went and I bought, because I only had the envelope punch didn't make very small, but I only got this size envelope. I went and I bought myself a die cut, and it's only this size. So I've been back on there, and I think I got one now about that size, because I'm sure I've seen this on here, because I thought, well, I'm having one of those too. Yes, and you got a tiny little picture in it. Look, it's all your fault. It's all your fault. I went and I bought this one, and I don't mind it. It cuts out like that. It, you know, it makes the little marks in it as well, you know. And I'm just practicing doing that with the big shot, printing them out, because I can't get one smaller than this on my scan and cut. It won't give me a smaller one, so the only thing I can do is go and find a smaller one. Now the phone's ringing. It must be my husband. Hang on a sec. Yes, I'm just making a video. 30. Yes. Give me a few minutes. I won't be long. I'll ring you. Sorry about this, but I couldn't turn it off again. He's just doing a bit of shopping and he wanted to know what to... Yeah. Okay, sorry about this. Oh, look, there's one in the back. Does it come out? I think it does. Does it come out? No. Not going to force it to, are we? It's sitting there behind there, look. Isn't that cool? I do love little tiny small things. I'm so sorry for the interruptions on these. Mary? Oh dear, I'm so sorry. I can't keep... Yes, okay. Oh dear, I'm so sorry for the interruptions. I do love these. I absolutely love them. I've seen them, and this bird is really cool too, isn't he? I just do love the way that this work. I do love it. I love all these things people send to me. It's also inspired me too, you know, to go with lots of different bits and pieces, you know, the way that's done. And I've got so much of this sort of stuff because, when I say this sort of stuff, fabric and laces and things like that I have a lot of because I always did sewing and stuff, so... Thank you very much, Mary. I really appreciate that, darling. You've done lovely things, but I don't know, you're an old lady too. Sorry about that. It says 1803. Maybe it would be 93, maybe 1983. 1983, that might be about maybe right. I don't know. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to everybody. And I really appreciate all these things that you're sending to me. It's very kind of you. So, well, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.